What does Venus represent in astrology? What is Venus? Venus is considered as one of the second benefic planet after Jupiter. So Venus is considered as most important planet, especially for marriage, because Venus represents spouse in male, in wife in the male's birth chart. Venus represents jewelry, Venus represents money, Venus represents wife, Venus represents all the female figures that you meet in the life, alright? And also Venus represents construction industry, Venus represents the real estate business, Venus represents diamonds, Venus represents jewelry, Venus represents wealth, alright? Everybody wants wealth, right? Tell me one person in this world who doesn't need wealth, alright? So Venus is the Karaka for wealth. Your financial transactions, your financial stability in your life can be seen from the placement of planet Venus. And of course, for Venus, the overlord is goddess Mahalakshmi. If at all you have financial difficulties, you need to get her blessings to have abundance and prosperity in your life. And planet Venus is considered as Shukracharya as per Sanskrit. So Shukracharya is basically a guru for demons, right? And he has given his unconditional efforts and love for the upliftment of demons. So he has taken care with regards to their prosperity, with regards to their abundance. It's all because of the blessings of planet Venus, alright? And Venus is considered as the most important planet for the marriage purpose as well. Especially people who have strong Venus, these people are very much blessed with beautiful spouse, beautiful wife. And the partner will be, of course, will be very supportive in nature. I'm talking about the strongest Venus, alright? And if at all Venus goes into the negative state, if Venus becomes weaker in the horoscope, automatically the negative side of Venus can be seen. There will be a lot of breakages in the marriage, and the spouse will not be supportive, and there will be a lot of misunderstandings between yourself as well as with your spouse. So all these things generally occurs if at all Venus is placed in the bad state in your horoscope, alright? And Venus represents so many things, all the auspicious things in your life, the things which you love, the things which you enjoy, all the tourism, the travel that you do, the photography industry, diamonds, jewelry, cosmetics, beauty industry, healthcare industry. For all this, planet Venus represents, alright? So I want to keep this video as short as possible because already I would have spoke a lot, in fact around 20 to 30 significators of planet, each planet, not only just Venus. I would have spoken in my previous videos. I want you to check those videos as well because I would have shared lot many insights pertaining to this subject, alright? And also Venus is considered as second benefic planet after Jupiter because Jupiter is considered as most auspicious planet, in fact positivity and everything. And Venus also, if at all Venus is watching any strongest negative affliction in the horoscope, that will get cancelled because of the blessings of planet Jupiter or Venus. And Venus is very friendly with Saturn, Venus is friendly with Rahu as well, but Venus doesn't go well with Sun, Moon and Mars. And Venus' best friend is basically Mercury. So that's the reason Venus in Gemini zodiac sign is considered as positive. Venus in Pisces zodiac sign, it is positive, but Venus in Virgo zodiac sign, it is considered negative. Venus is considered debilitated in Virgo zodiac sign, alright? And Venus doesn't like any restriction. They doesn't like being around, they always want to have that freedom in the life. They love freedom. They want to have that breath in the air. They want to go ahead for different places, and they just want to, and Venus is the planet of romance. Venus is the planet of love. Venus is the planet of relationships. All these things manifest in the life with the blessings of planet Venus in the horoscope, alright? So I hope you enjoyed this video. This video I want to keep it short for 4 to 5 minutes. I hope we already reached to 4 minutes 30 seconds. And thank you so much for watching this video. And also do let me know in the comment section what exactly you want me to make videos upon, because I'm touching all the basics because my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. And if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please keep supporting me by giving your loving comments. I keep reading all of your comments, and do mention in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, so that I know that you're following my videos. And also do share this video with your family and friends so that they'll get benefited by learning the various concepts of Vedic astrology. Alright? And bye for now. I'll meet you in the next video.